Hey everyone, this is Mike with Peg Hunters, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Hot Wheels mail-in. I'll give you all the information you need to know. This here is the website you'll want to get all the details about the mail-in from. This one here is a 2026 mail-in, and the car you would get is an '05 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. And this one is a Dollar Tree, Family Dollar mail-in. And here are some exclusive cars you might want to pick up whenever you're out shopping. 67 Camaro in blue, 2020 Prius Custom in gray, and a Lotus Cortina in blue. That's the link to the order form. We'll use it here in just a minute. And let's go over first the dates and the eligible SKUs. So this one is a mail-in for 2026, and the eligible purchase period is July 3rd through August 10th. And you have to buy $20 worth of the eligible items before taxes. The main lines, it says here, are SKU L2593. The 5-packs are assortment 1806. Or if you want to get 8-packs, it is HPV 78. But I think you might need to get those from Family Dollar. The other important dates that you'll need to know about are below here. This one here says you have to have it postmarked and in the mail by August 12th. And they have to receive it by August 29th. And right above it is the address where you need to send it. So make sure you have this information whenever you get to filling out the envelope or your shipping label. So this website has all the information and instructions you need. I'm just kind of going over it, giving you the basics. The next step is to fill out this order form here. We're going to choose United States because that's where I'm located. But this order form is going to need to be printed off and put in the envelope with your UPCs. This here is where you pick how many. If you just want one, leave it alone and continue to check out. But bump it up if you feel like bumping it up. But remember, if you do more than one, it's going to be $7 shipping each, and you have to have $20 worth of purchases for each one. Fill out this form, continue to check out, either pay by card or remember to fill out check or money order and put it in your envelope. So that's how you do the ordering on the website, and the next steps here, you'll have to print the order form yourself. Hey everyone, okay, now that we've went over on the website the dates that are important and the SKUs that you need to buy, I'm going to show you some of the product and what you need to send in with it. And then after we get the order form, I'll kind of show you the packaging it up. But if you decided to go with 5-packs, this is what you need to look for. It'll say on the bottom, assortment 1806 or 01806. But any recent purchase for a 5-pack that's come out anytime in the last few years is probably going to be 1806. And this is the example. If you're using 5-packs, this is what I would do. I would take your scissors, kind of cut off the bottom here. You know, use whatever method you want, but I'll show you what you need, what you're going to have to send in. So take this here, just kind of cut the UPC barcode out of the bottom. And this is basically what you need, just the little card back bottom. And you can trim it down kind of however you want. I just kind of trim it the best that it'll fit in an envelope, because you're going to need to mail this in along with your receipt. So depending on how many 5-packs will be how many UPC codes you need. I decided to do 5-packs because I wanted to pick up this new Safari mode, and I wanted this cool Jeep. So buy a few 5-packs or buy some regular main lines. If you buy the main lines, this is what you're going to need to send in, one for every one. That adds up to your $20. And if you want, there's the assortment L2593. So, but all the recent main lines that are at the stores right now are going to be L2593. So you don't really need to pay too much attention to that. But if you want to double check, that's what it is right now. And this is what the receipt will look like. What you're looking for is eligible items subtotal before tax. So make sure you got $20 before tax or multiples of $20. But there are only few SKU codes that are eligible: mainlines, 5-packs, and then if you want to get an 8-pack from Family Dollar, you can. But sorry, I'm gonna bring you with me. So this is what the 8-pack looks like. If you decide to buy those, this is what you're looking for. There's the SKU code on this one. This one, I think you're probably pretty safe, but you might want to double check. Yeah, HPV 78. So kind of similar to the 5-packs, just cut out this little barcode with the assortment number, you know, whatever you want to fit in the envelope. And so get your receipt, get your UPC codes or your card backs, and get them ready to put in an envelope. And once I get the order form printed off, I'll show you the rest. But this along with your payment, whether you choose check or money order, will go in the envelope also. And if you choose to pay online, you can skip that part. But you're going to need for sure the receipt, the UPC codes or the card backs, and you know, you'll have to address it and put a stamp on it. But for the most part, that's what you need, and I'll show you the rest once we get the order form printed off. Okay, hey everyone, I'm back, and I'm going to show you the last step that you got to do to get this mail-in sent off and to get your cars in. So we use the website to print off the order form. This is what it looks like. I just covered up my address here, but really you need this with your barcode and your order number, everything, to get it, make sure it comes back to you properly. And let's go over the other things you'll need. You're going to need your receipts with at least $20 of the eligible SKUs before taxes, and the matching UPCs or card backs. In my particular case, I want 2 of these, so just make sure that for yours you either do $20 or increments of 20. I'm doing 40 here, so I purchased 3 5-packs. That's $6, $6, $6, $18 for the 5-packs, and I'll need 2 more to make my first $20, and then 16 more to get the second $20. So I've got 18 card backs and 3 UPCs for 5-packs, 2 receipts with the appropriate prices and SKUs. I've got my order form already put in there, and that's everything you need to put in your envelope. So I'll load it here just to kind of show you what I do. But one way or the other, you need to put your card backs and your UPCs, your receipts, and your order form. I will also mention you will need to put your check or money order if that's what you chose to do. But just to make it easier, I put in my card information when I completed the order form. So I'll be paying by card, and they'll charge it whenever they get this, and they're going to send the cards and process the order and everything. You can fill out the envelope like this, you know, on the website that I'll link. These are the rules. It gives you the address here to address it. Hot Wheels 05 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, P.O. Box 1229, East Aurora, New York 14052. And I'll go over the dates just in case you want to do this one. This is 2026 Dollar Tree Family Dollar mail-in. And the promotion, you have to purchase the cars between July 3rd up until August 10th. So your receipts have to be dated July 3rd all the way to August 10th. And the eligible SKUs, we'll go over them again. L2593 for the regular main lines. We got HGY 16 or 1806 for the 5-packs. And if you want to go to Family Dollar and get 8-packs, it is HPV 78. So those are the SKUs, those are your dates. The other important dates here are you have to get this in the mail and postmarked by August 12th, 2026, and they have to receive it by August 29th, 2026. So those are your other dates. I'm going to remind you again that $7 shipping each for however many mail-in cars you want. So in my case, I had to agree to pay $7 each, so it's going to charge me $14 whenever they get this. And if you want to send it yourself with stamps, make sure you go to USPS, Postal Service, calculate how many stamps you're going to need to put on your envelope. I don't really want to mess with stamps on this shipment, so I went ahead and printed a label, and I'm going to put my label just kind of right there on the package and get it in the mailbox or take it down to the post office. So that's what you need to do a Hot Wheels mail-in, and specifically this one for 2026 Dollar Tree and Family Dollar. So I'll put the link in the comments, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. And anyways, thanks for watching. This is Mike with Peg Hunters.